All right, let's do some striking tests. Hello everyone, my name's Scott. For today's video, we're looking over this major survival kit. So this is an off-roading tool kit, survival type kit that you will want in your vehicle. We're gonna add this to our Jeep Wrangler, and this is just great for people who like survival stuff, prepping stuff, just want to plan for the worst. If you're out off-roading, mudding, if you get stuck or get lost, or any scenario, you guys want to have a toolkit like this with you. That way, you at least come prepared. Gives you a little manual here. Goes over, shows you how to use the tool. This is the bag it comes in. Very heavy duty. I love the little flag on here. Looks like you can take that on and off if you want. Okay, so let's get started here. Inside this bag is a shovel. Well, I mean, we can go off quickly. It's a chip, dig, chop, saw, open, raise, shield, fire, whistle, hammer, compass, trekking pole, chop, nail hammer, hole, pick, ice axe, wrench, trench. This thing has everything. I mean, just everything in one. So we're going to go ahead and pull everything out, show you guys what you're getting. Okay, so this is a lot to go over. Let's first show you the main shovel piece. Okay, this is the shovel. This is very sharp, so you can cut, you can dig, you can saw, bottle opener, and so much more with this. You can use it to dig like this as well, or straight out dig. If you want to loosen this, just twist it the one way and you can loosen it up. You can twist this here to make it tight so it won't go anywhere. We're definitely going to put this to the test over the coming weeks to see how well it holds up, to make sure the metal is strong. It feels very solid, but you know, we'll see. Now you have all of these different ends, and you don't have to make it. Okay, so let's see if I can show you guys an example here. So let's say we just want it this big, this long. Go ahead and just simply put one of these on, and now we can use this as a short shovel or axe or, you know, a weapon. We can then go ahead and add, let's say we didn't want it this long. Let's say we want it even shorter. We can add this piece where there's a compass at the end, right on here. No problem. We can go ahead and make this a very short shovel or weapon. It's got a nice balance as well. We want to loosen this up. To loosen the shovel up, twist it like this to make it tight. Turn it like this. Just remember, don't cut yourself. You know, our hands are pretty strong, so from working, but if you have soft hands, you might want to have cut-proof gloves. Now, you have all of these extensions, and by the way, there's going to be some items inside these poles. Pull them out as well, so they might be a little tough to get out. Let's go ahead and there we go. Yeah, you're gonna have tons of different stuff in here, so keep that in mind. This is a whistle. I believe this is a flint starter as well. Let's see here. Here we go. Get that paint off there. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see this. Here we go. You can see the spark. So, flint, whistle. Again, there's going to be some more stuff inside as well. So, here we have a nice spear end. So, if you want to turn this into a spear, I mean, I'm telling you guys, you can do so much with this. There's just, it never ends. So, now we got a nice little weapon. Also, fishing line and fishing hook, you can turn this into a fishing rod. I mean, you can extend this very far. I'm telling you guys, the possibilities are almost endless. Saw, you can turn this into a saw, and everything can be threaded back in. So all of these pieces that you see me pulling out can be threaded back in. So now we have a nice little saw here. We'll test some of these out for you guys. We're going to keep that on, We're going to keep this one on. Let's see here. But wait, there's more. We also have an axe head. So you can turn this whole thing, and you can keep all these separate. So if you want to have like all these different separate ones, you can. Or you can combine them into one. So we have the hammer, we have an axe. And let's say we just want a small. So we just want a small little axe. No problem. Thread this on. If we wanted to make it longer, that's no problem at all as well. Go ahead, thread on another one. No problem. So we'll test that one out as well. Let's see what we have inside this one. But wait, there's more. So it pretty much never ends. So here's the pick. So we got our pick here. Oh, let's see. Let's go ahead and add this on here. There we go. We got our pick. Let's go ahead and add a second handle on here. So, pick. I mean, look at this. This is an amazing kit. And all of this can be combined back into that bag as well. You can even go ahead and add these pieces together and make a striking wand. So, if you want a striking wand, you got a blunt little force there. It also looks like it comes with some foam tape type stuff in here. But yeah, this is our main items that we have. And again, we can keep them all like this. If we wanted to, we could go ahead and thread this in here. So look at this. Look at this. We can place all the items inside like this. We want to go ahead and put this one in here, no problem. If we want to convert everything into one, that's not a problem. The only thing that you'll have to swap out is the heads. So we want to swap out this head, and this head. We can easily do that. But now we have all this all inside here. But since we're going to use them, we're going to go ahead and take them all out. Just as a test. Okay, let's go ahead and do some testing. I would say these tools pass with flying colors. And this is hard. So if you don't understand, this is hard plastic. This is not like flimsy stuff. So if it works as good as it did on plastic, it's going to work amazing on wood.